movie.
You're checking the game plan out here.
Get out of here.
That question stand a chance.
I'm gonna go live with them on my
Shit, that's how we do this.
Hi everyone, I'm back and I am at the Heritage Day cook-off between these boys
What's up?
and the others have run away already.
Does they know what's up?
What are we going to do? They do have some backup from Weaver over there. Say hello guys.
I'm not just muscle, by the way. They're good cooks as well.
We're doing everything today.
They're doing everything. They have been practicing at home. I've been watching them through the night. They've been cooking. You've been cooking, right?
Yeah, we focused.
These guys cook as well as they know. Okay.
Cook as well as well. Finish your sentence.
Where's the other side?
Here we go. I started.
Are you feeling good? Well, now, it's the other team. This is Divan. Say hi, Divan.
Kuzuko!
There
Ons
we
doen die
go.
hakke! Ons gaan vandag die bokke blitz, papi! Be quiet there, wat gaan aan daai kant?
Empty cans make a lot of noise, sir.
Boys on, boys and girls. With Divan, he's got an excellent backup team.
Yeah, this is the reserve team, the wild team. We're gonna roll like lions today. Nie leer blikke nie.
As long as you don't get lost like Sylvester.
No, Sylvester is a trick up his sleeve, you know. We're just one step in front of us. He's taught us many things.
They're very quiet on that side. I wonder why.
Ja, hulle sê mos vol blikke raas nie.
Well, let's see what we can. Good luck, Divan. Good luck, team.
Thank you, bye-bye.
All I'm saying is, last time the Lions came to South Africa, the Springboks won the series. That's what I'm saying. So let him be a lion. If he thinks he's gonna beat us, he's lying. Come on. I see what you did. That's all I'm saying, bro. I see what you did. That's bars.
Dis nou wat daar gebeur. Want weet jy wat jy met twee stelle bakkerye?
bro. I'm just kidding.
What are you doing? You're checking the game plan out here. What's going on?
Get out of here. No wonder it was quiet.
That was a great player coming in front of us here. Okay, he's not okay. I can be slack. No, Joe.
One more time. Try one more time. Come on.
Spice the chops.
Okay.
As you can see, I am Master Chef Sako, and these are my proteges. So we opened up this culinary school 2 years ago, and the aim is to give people that have a passion for food a chance to cook. And there's no better place to cook at than Kuzuko Lodge. So yeah, as you can see, we've got the girls spicing the meat. Yeah, looks really good. They think I got time. If you want to smoke, I'll give you smoke. Give you smoke. I'm just saying, like, if you want to smoke, I got you.
Smoke. That's it. Smoke means like the challenge, not actual.
Just saying that. Hashtag love your best life.
Or die.
One giant piece for mankind.
Here we have last year's winner.
I'm not competing this time.
Well, it'd be unfair though, wouldn't it? Because you're just way too good for compete against these guys. Yeah. You need like somebody like a
chef.
A chef.
Yes, definitely.
Then you can really show off your skills, bro.
Oh, here it starts again.
Chakalaka!
I'm actually going home scarred after today, having to listen to these guys. But I wanted to give you a very warm welcome to Paradise. The real name of Paradise is Kuzuko Lodge, and I'm sure that you have had the absolute most intensely fantastic time here. And we're so awesome and happy to be here myself and the team. We're driven up yesterday from Nissan, which is one of the sponsors. Here you'll see a media team, they're all walking around. This is Salt Web series, they're walking around with cameras. At some stage I didn't know where to look anymore because every time I turned around there was a camera in my face. And they've been sponsored by JW Auto, who got them here safely. So a lot of sponsors and a lot of people coming together for this event.
So this is what you call fraternizing with the enemy.
He's the enemy tactics here.
Getting him distracted.
We got the challenge.
That was the hacker. That was a waka waka or something.
Yeah, like a bell, like a
See you
bell.
guys at the end.
See you at the end.
Finish line, eh? At the finish line, eh?
That's Sylvester.
That's a cute hacker, boys. Very cute.
What do you think of that?
No, I think the University of Clownery, where they graduated, would be happy about that. You know, it's good to see a couple of clowns coming out here and doing their thing, but we out here cooking, so there's no need to say anything. You know, we got this.
So Lips, is it intimidating at all?
What? What? That just brought excitement. Like, it just seemed like tomfoolery. So,
It was a lot of fun.
yeah, side dish. You know, like, ready for the
Nice way to take
check
the
it
edge
out.
of things, you know, just make it seem less chill and all that, guys.
Getting the closest. Anybody else? How much? No. No. Okay, so the winner, 871 kilometers. Hey, you got a prize. It's a lot of waters, so we need to separate it. Basically, we need to divorce it.
Sure, you guys looking nervous.
No, we can't.
You're nervous? No, yeah, okay.
Don't get to guys like this. Every day I have to perform every single day, and I bring it.
I see your lips moving, but I can't make out your words.
Every day in Africa, when the lion wakes up, it needs to decide, is it going to eat or is it going to starve, you know? And when the antelope wakes up in Africa, it also has to decide, is it going to be eaten or is it going to survive? And we woke up this morning, we decided we're going to be the lion. And I ain't lying when I say that. So, I'm Simba.
You serious? Yeah.
And obviously this is a very important one. Okay, taste. Reserve for taste. 64.5, which puts you on a total of 201.5. There's somebody here that felt you were half okay. Alright, half okay. Taste, you're on 75.5, you win with 200.
So for today we just decided to put something together for the guys. So a pair of gloves, apron, so that they don't burn their hands and drop balls or whatever they want to do. I don't know. Faster than this, a recipe book so that they can understand how to make food, not like this guys or whatever. Thanks guys.
That pushed you stand a chance.
Hold on all the way.